Hey EQTV family. Welcome back to EQTV Africa, where we empower African youth to build smart income streams, boost emotional intelligence, and grow financially free. Today's topic: affiliate marketing in Africa. If you've ever wondered how people make money online without creating their own products, this is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how affiliate marketing works, the best African-friendly programs to join, and step-by-step strategies to start earning even from your phone. So, grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a way of earning money by promoting other people's products or services. You sign up for a program, share a special link, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital middleman, helping companies find customers, and getting paid for it. In Africa, this business model is booming, from Nigeria to South Africa, Kenya to Ghana, thanks to growing internet access and mobile payments. And the best part: you don't need huge capital. Just your phone, Wi-Fi, and creativity. Affiliate marketing is perfect for Africa's youth because 1. Internet and smartphone access are exploding. 2. You can start with zero investment. 3. There's huge demand for authentic voices promoting African-friendly products. 4. And it builds digital skills for the future, from marketing to analytics. Imagine earning in dollars from platforms like Amazon or Digistore 24 while still living in Lagos, Nairobi, Accra, or Johannesburg. That's financial independence in the digital age. Now, let's talk about the best affiliate programs that actually work in Africa. 1. Jumia Affiliate Program. Perfect for beginners. Promote electronics, fashion, and home items, and get paid in your local currency. 2. Amazon Associates. Global platform, higher commissions, but require smart product marketing, use blogs or YouTube. 3. ClickBank and Digistore 24. Great for digital products, ebooks, online courses, and software. 4. Travel Start Africa and Wekeno. If you love travel content, these are perfect. 5. Binance and Luno. Crypto affiliate programs with huge earning potential, but know the risks before promoting. 6. Payhip, Gumroad, and Celea.co. You can promote African creators' digital products. Start with 1 or 2 programs, test what works for your audience, and grow from there. Let's go step by step on how to start affiliate marketing today. Step 1. Pick a niche, something you love: tech, fashion, fitness, finance, education. Step 2. Choose an affiliate program that fits your niche. Step 3. Create a platform, YouTube channel, Instagram page, TikTok, or a free blog. Step 4. Promote products with value, don't spam links. Step 5. Track your performance and optimize. Bonus tip: always build trust before promoting. People buy from people they trust, not from random links. Example: if you're into skincare, make honest reviews and tutorials. If you're into gadgets, do unboxing videos. Over time, your audience grows, and so does your income. Now the big question: how much can you earn? Some affiliates earn $100 a month, others make $10,000 plus. It depends on your niche, consistency, and audience trust. Start small, focus on growing your traffic and mastering your content style. Once you have 1,000 loyal followers, your affiliate links can bring daily income. Pro tip: reinvest your earnings, buy better equipment, run small ads, or build a website to scale your business. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-smart and grow game. Start with passion, stay consistent, and think long-term. Africa's digital future belongs to creators, influencers, and marketers who understand how online business works. You can be one of them. Comment below if you'd like a tutorial video on how to sign up for your first affiliate program. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your hustler friends. Until next time, EQTV family, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep growing your digital empire.